Hey y'all, it's your girl Java and I'm going to be doing a cooking video for you. I wanted to cook some chicken fried rice, which is one of my current favorite meals to cook for the moment. And this is one of the dishes that I don't normally cook every single week. I do have my all-time favorites that I cook weekly, but I wanted to kind of switch up what I normally cook and just, have something different because you don't want to eat the same thing every week, But I just wanted to just come on here and share with you guys this meal and just show you guys that you can cook this meal too. It's not hard and it doesn't take long to cook and it tastes delicious. It's so good. I actually cooked this meal for the first time on Father's Day and it came out perfect. It was so good. It didn't need anything extra to it. All right, y'all, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so I'll have all of the ingredients listed in my description box below. I'm going to start off using unsalted butter. You can use salted butter if you like, it's your preference. And then I'm going to butter my pan and scramble 2 eggs and then I'll set them to the side. Next, I'm going to take extra virgin olive oil and I'm going to put it in the pan that I use for the eggs. I have it cleaned and heated on the stove. And now I'm going to take the boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I've cut up, and I've already applied pepper, but I'm going to show you guys that I put pepper and the other seasonings as well. Next, I'm going to use onion powder. For my last seasoning, I'm using seasoned salt, and I didn't use too many different seasonings for the meal because all of the other ingredients added to the recipe will have their own flavor, and if used right, it'll be a beautiful combination. So as you can see, I am browning and cooking the meat thoroughly, and I'm going to set it to the side and move on to the next step. While your meat is cooking, you want to prepare your vegetables to add. I have green onion chopped, white onion chopped, as well as garlic chopped. You can use garlic powder if you like, or garlic salt, but I like to use real garlic for my meals. It just makes the food taste so much better. So as you can see, I'm using the same pan that I used for the chicken. I left all the little bits in there after removing the chicken, and I just added a little bit of butter, and I've also added the vegetables that I've chopped up. So I'm just sauteing the vegetables, and I added the garlic last once the vegetables were almost done cooking because I don't want the garlic to burn. Next, I've added the scrambled eggs that I cooked earlier to the vegetables, and I'm just breaking that down so it can mix well with the vegetables. Now I've added the meat that I cooked to the vegetable and egg pan, and I'm going to mix that as well. Okay, now it's time to add the cooked white rice to the pan and mix it well. Okay, now it's time to add the soy sauce. I'm using the Kikkoman brand soy sauce. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. When it comes to adding the soy sauce, you want to start off by adding a little bit at a time and tasting it as you go. Soy sauce has a lot of salt in it. You can substitute the regular soy sauce for less sodium soy sauce. It's still going to taste good. After adding the soy sauce, I'm just mixing everything together, making sure everything is coated with everything, and I'm going to give it a taste test. Alright, so now it's just about ready. I'm about to go ahead and plate my food, but first take a look at how it came out. Alright, so now I have my food plated. I'm going to add the last ingredient, which is organic sesame seeds, and I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on top. You can't tell me that doesn't look good. Hey y'all, I just wanted to share the beef fried rice that I cooked as well. I used the same ingredients minus the meat, which was beef stew meat. And this time the frozen veggies are peas, carrots, and green beans. Alright y'all, so that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you try this recipe. Let me know in the comments below if you tried it and how it came out. Let me know if you liked it, if you did anything different or whatever. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated with all of my upcoming content. And that's it y'all. Alright now, so I hope you guys have a good one and enjoy your day. Bye y'all.